We built a wall round the voices, locked them away. Told us we're free, but we ain't got no say. Cut out our tongues and clipped our wings. Now they're afraid of the truth we might bring. But we've got a fire, it's burning inside. No matter the chains, we'll never hide. Censored silence, but we're gonna scream. We're breaking through the cracks of their dirty scheme. No more whispers, no more fear. We'll shout so loud they'll have to hear. Censored silence, but we won't stay down. We'll tear it apart, this crooked town. They covered their tracks, erased the past, but the lies they're selling ain't gonna last. The streets are speaking in secret codes. The people's truth is about to explode. They try to muzzle, but we're growing strong. Won't stop us now, we've been quiet too long. Censored silence, but we're gonna scream. We're breaking through the cracks of their dirty scheme. No more whispers, no more fear. We'll shout so loud they'll have to hear. Censored silence, but we won't stay down. We'll tear it apart, this crooked town. We'll rise up together, voices in the night. We're fighting for justice, we're taking back our rights. No more backroom deals, no more shut down doors. We'll be louder than ever, can't silence us no more. Censored silence, but we're gonna scream. We're breaking through the cracks of that dirty scheme. No more whispers, no more fear. We'll shout so loud they'll have to hear. Censored silence, but we won't stay down. We'll tear it apart, this crooked town. Censored silence, but we're still here. Our voices will rise year after year. No more backroom deals, no more shut down doors. We'll be louder than ever, can't silence us no more. Censored silence, but we're still here. Our voices will rise year after year.